If you use Microsoft Edge a lot, you may have noticed that your download history disappears every time you close the browser. In this video, I'm going to show you how to prevent that from happening so your download history stays saved in Edge. This is a quick and simple setting change, and it only takes a few seconds. If this tutorial helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tips just like this. All right, let's go ahead and fix it. First, open Microsoft Edge on your computer. Once Edge is open, look at the top right corner of the window and click the three-dot menu to open the main Settings menu. From there, choose Settings. This will take you to the full Edge settings page where you can control your privacy and browsing options. On the left-hand side of the settings screen, find and click Privacy, Search, and Services. This section contains the privacy controls that decide what Edge clears automatically when you close it. Once you're in the Privacy, Search, and Services area, scroll down until you find the section called Clear Browsing Data on Close. This is the setting that controls which types of data Edge removes whenever the browser is closed. Now click Clear Browsing Data on Close to open the detailed options. You'll see a list of different items that can be cleared automatically, such as browsing history, cookies, cached images, and download history. Since we want to keep our download history saved, look for Download History in the list. If it's toggled on, that means Edge is currently set to clear it every time you close the browser. To stop that from happening, simply toggle off Download History. Once you switch it off, Edge will no longer delete your download history when you exit the browser. That means your downloaded files and records of your downloads will remain available the next time you open Edge. If you want, you can leave other auto-clear options turned on or off based on your preference. For example, you might still want Edge to clear cookies or browsing history for privacy while keeping your download history saved. That's the benefit of this setting. You can customize what gets removed and what stays. After turning off download history, you can close the Settings tab. Your change should be saved automatically, so there's no extra save button needed. From now on, Edge should keep your download history even after you close the browser. So just to recap, go to Settings, open Privacy, Search, and Services, select Clear Browsing Data on Close, and toggle off Download History. That's all you need to do to prevent Microsoft Edge from clearing your download history. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more helpful browser tutorials, Windows tips, and simple fixes like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.